the video. Let's fucking start this
If
shit.
you ever want to swap an S62 into your car,
That's all you need.
all you need is some snips.
You need Milwaukee.
Shout out to Milwaukee. You guys suck.
Ooh, got a light on it too. All right, so let's show you guys what we just did.
I'm sure in all the other videos you've seen in this area a whole bunch of shit, because you know my garage is fucking disgusting, and we got like animals living in here in my house. But we fixed that. We fixed that. So what we did was we pushed this back, got rid of the sofa,
that was here.
the casting couch that was here. So what we're doing is we're putting all the parts on these two shelves, cleaned all this space up because in probably tomorrow or day after, we're gonna get the 540 in here.
Yeah, as you guys saw,
Okay.
in the previous two videos, we
two,
removed the drive shaft, exhaust, and subframe.
which is over there.
There's exhaust right there. Drive shaft.
And let's get a little light in here, it's a little dark.
We got
Know what I'm saying?
We got everything. Holy shit.
So the only thing that's left, engine transmission. So plan for today
is remove both of those.
is we're gonna drop these.
So as you guys can see, we don't have a tray picker. We're gonna we got two jacks over there. We're just gonna lower everything down in one piece, call it a day. So stick around and let's fucking do the thing. Boom.
Boom. Check the.
Alright guys, so this is
That shit.
yeah, fuck that. This is the end of part one. So let's show what we got off. Pretty much we tried to disconnect most of the harness. We got injectors off and what else? All the brake lines, fuel. Well, not fuel. Fuel is still connected. We don't want that to leak. Power steering is still left, but that's just take down the
We
pulley.
basically pulled the wiring harness on both sides up until this area where the ECU goes. And on that side, we just gotta pull it through the firewall.
Yeah, we got the cowl and shit of all the whatever that shit.
Yeah.
Got the wires for the coil packs. Next, we're gonna mess with this stuff. This will be in the next video, so stay tuned for that.
Pain in the ass.
So, peace. Alright, fuckers. Quick update. I only got it off. Yippee, yippee.
So, if you're doing this,
Don't.
disconnect. Yeah, don't. First of all, don't. Second of all, if you're stupid and then you decide, oh yeah, I'm going to, you gotta pull these off. You can leave the fuel rail, but we decided to take it off. Just pull every fucking connector you see. Just
Yeah, everything.
and
It's like two of each.
yeah, and then on the back of the harness, there's the cam sensor ones, which are these ones. No. Yeah, they are.
Yeah, it's four of those. Two on each
These are a pain in the ass.
Because if you see, go all the way down. You can't even barely see them. There's one right there. And that one. There's one on like behind that somewhere. Yeah, you got
anyways,
all four of these off.
Now we got this off.
Everything you just moving to this side, towards the passenger side.
We are going to prepare the subframe for being dropped.
Yeah. And we're gonna set you guys on a time lapse.
We're gonna set you guys on a time lapse, eh?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen. So we went to my house real quick.
morning, pit stop.
We had to make one pit stop because like this socket, this one, I'll show you guys just to make it easier. Because I know some people are visual people, you know. As you guys can see, this socket won't fit. So we went to my house to get a thinner one. And look at that, it fucking fits. I think we should just jack it up. Okay, got it. Okay. Look how close it is.
You got it.
I'm not trying to do that.
Go, dudes.
No, just get a fucking snips. Stop.
Ah, shit. Pissing.
Yeah, obviously.
I don't know, just keep doing it. Oh, this line.
Got it. Got it. Should we show them real quick? Holy shit. This is how it should be. Well, I don't know if I can really portray how bent it is. Bent. It's bent. Quick update. Again.
Fuck this car.
Alright, so that's the end of the video. We got the fucking engine out and the tranny.
What a pain in the hawker asshole.
It's a pretty big pain.
Can't see.
So yeah, stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna be taking out the tranny, checking the clutch and flywheel and all that. So yeah, stay tuned.